On Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged in account, tap on the DM section over here at the top right corner of the screen. Then select on any of the profile that you want to send a one-time photo. Now as you select on the profile, all you have to do is tap on the camera icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. As you tap on it, you can just click any picture over here. Now as you click a picture, you can see the option of allow replay at the bottom left corner. So just tap on it again and it says keep in chat, but since we want to send one-time photo, tap on it again and here it says view once. So you can just tap and you can send it and the other person will only be able to see this photo for once on Instagram and it will disappear. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.